In this video, I'll show you how to upgrade to ChatGPT Plus. If you've been using ChatGPT on a free plan and you're now thinking of upgrading to a premium plan or a plus plan of ChatGPT, let me show you how it is done. Open up ChatGPT as you normally do, and on the bottom left of the screen, you'll have a option called upgrade. Just click on the button which says upgrade, and there are two options, the personal or the business option. Now, depending upon what you are, if you are a business, make sure you select the business plan option. If you want it for personal use, you can click on the personal option, and this is the plus plan. You can see all of the benefits that you're going to get, and it's going to cost you $20 per month. If you want this, you can just click on the get plus button. You'll be taken to the payment section where you need to enter in your card info. So the card number, the expiry date, and the CVC. Enter in all of your information correctly and then click on subscribe. As soon as you do that, you'll be subscribed to the plus plan of ChatGPT. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you guys in the next one.